Felix, big win tonight against San Miguel. And you played well you played well too. Just your thoughts on tonight's game.
Great win. We played well. I think I would say three quarters. You know, fourth was a little. We had a big lead and then we let them come back. But they're a good team, so credits to them, props to them for coming back. But super happy with the win.
Every time San Miguel was knocking down some shots, you guys were able to counter that with shots of your own, not only from you but Adrian Ocon and the rest. Just talk about you guys able to counter whatever San Miguel was throwing at you.
I think it's a testament to the work that Adrian and everyone puts in. You know, even if you miss a couple in the beginning or if you miss a couple throughout the game, you keep shooting them with confidence, and we all have confidence in each other. So whenever we swing the ball, we see an open shot, we believe that someone's going to make it, and that's what happened.
Felix, last year you started up well, your rookie year, then you got hurt, then you were trying to get your feet back, but right now it seems you're playing well this conference, starting with that Meralco game, then tonight.
I think going into this conference, I just wanted to be aggressive, just wanted to get my confidence back, and it started in practice and just doing that all the time, and then it translates now to the game, and still working, still trying to get to 100% with my confidence, but so far so good.
So far yet so near.
You guys are 5-0, only unbeaten team in the league, but there's still a lot of games to be played. How will you guys try to keep this form the rest of the way?
It's just we got the quick turnaround now. Obviously, we play a tough team on Friday with Converge, so tomorrow just get into viewing, go over what we could have done better today and what we have to prepare when it comes to Converge. So just take it game by game, take it day by day, and then see where we go.
Not night by night.
Night by night, we recover.
Okay, Felix, thank you.